This is LeetCode question number 1161, maximum level sum of a binary tree. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given the root of binary tree, the level of its root is 1, the level of its children is 2, and so on. Return the smallest level x, such as the sum of all of value of node at level is the maximum. Smallest is when we traverse like this is the first one with maximum value. In this case, this one is level 1, this one is level 2, and then level 3. Sum is 1, sum is 7, sum is -1, so this one is selected. So return is 2, like this. Okay. This case, I'm gonna use level order with recursion, and then the first time is level 1, level 2, level 3, and then each level I will calculate the sum of node of level and then compare with the max value, and then find the max value and then return each value. Let's get implemented. Okay, so first I make the level order. In case of level order, we need to use Q. So I will use collection dq as Q, and then I put Q append root as I will iteration until Q is empty, and then level order we needed to iteration length of Q, and I will get one node from Q, and then if node left is not none, I will add Q. Node left into Q, and if node right is none, I will append node right into Q. Then is I finish the traverse with the level order, and then now I will calculate the sum. Sum is here, then palm left, then I will add some value, and to finish it I will save maximum sum. Need max sum is minus infinity, and then we also need max level. Initial with none, and then we need the level. Let's start with 1. In this case, we have to finish it. I will check if max sum is smaller than sum. I will update max sum with sum. Then our max level is level, and I will increase your level for next iteration. Then I will return max level. Okay, let's check with this one. Okay, now first I will put the Q to 1. Now Q is here, this one, and then sum is 0, and then only same amount of Q, only 1. At this time sum is not value, so sum is 1, And if there are node left here, so append 7, and right here, so append here to next level. And then max sum is my negative infinity, so max sum is 1, and then level is 2, so max level is 1, and then next iteration here, and calculate 7 1 is sum 7 is 7, and add this one with this one, and plus 0, and then there are no left or right, skip. So sum is 7, so this one is bigger than sum 7, is max sum is 1, so update max sum is 7, max level is 2, and the level equals 1. Now here, this one is minus 1, so select 2, so max level is 2. Okay, looks good. Okay, good. In this case, it will traverse a whole load of tree, so it take time space, and then it use Q, same amount of node, so space complexity also linear time, linear space, linear time with a linear space. Thank you.